Street Drip Squad, welcome back to the channel. Man, I am excited. I know I say that all the time, but today, you know why. Today, I am excited. Guess what day it is? No, it's not a hump day. Man, we are getting the new wheels. Yes, I'm about to head out there right now. Hit up Eastside Motoring. They're gonna hook your boy up. Man, I've been waiting on this. It's been too long. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you go back and watch that, man. I can't even speak because I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are to see the final reveal. I hope you're ready for it. It's been literally months in the making. It shipped, I'd say, sometime late February, and it finally got here last week. So yeah, man, I'm super excited. I want to get that thing on and see how it looks and show you guys. So stick along for the ride. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we got a nice, beautiful sunny day, crisp air, perfect weather. It's supposed to get a little warmer as well, and hopefully it should make for good photo and video outdoors, because this thing, with the sun hitting it when it's nice and clean, it should be nice and shiny and gleamy. So I'm excited for that. Everything's so far working out. No traffic. Everything's working out good. I know everybody was saying, you know, I should wait till winter's officially over, but let's get it real. Like, we're in Boston, man. Winter's never officially over unless you're over and you make it to June, because at any moment we can get that big dump of snow. If y'all from here, you know how that goes. So, but yeah, I mean, I figured worst case, I'll keep a garage so I don't have to worry about it being outdoors. And if you guys know me, you know the car, you know that I'm always on top of things, keeping it clean. So I anticipate to do that with the wheels as well. Make sure I take care of them, keep them clean, you know, as much as possible. And I think with the finish on this one, it should be easier to clean the brake dust off of these new wheels versus these stock OEM wheels that I have on now. And I'm also going to treat it as well, so that should help with the overall cleaning process. But yeah, man, enough talk. I'm gonna hit you guys when we get there, and I'm excited for this, guys. Super excited. I hope you are too. Wish there was no speed limit so I can make it there in Superman time, but you know, we have to deal with what we got. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. Ooh, they got some nice toys in this parking lot here. Let's see if I can. Oh, there's actually parking. Usually this thing is super packed. You can't park anywhere. Okay. We got the Urus over here. Got a nice M2. All right, let's head inside and. All right, guys, let's take one last look at its stock, because when she comes out of here, I'm gonna have some new shoes on them things. Still looks lovely this way, man, but yeah, I can't wait, guys. Check out the wheels, guys. Wheels galore. This is the Hall of Fame right here of all wheels. But look at this beast. Big, beastie Ducati. This thing's going for 61K if you guys want a bike here. This is nasty. Carbon all over. You got the little flare. Wow. If I had a bike, I'd definitely get something like this. Woo! Look at that exhaust. Akrapovic. But check this out, guys. This is for sale too. One of you guys can own one of this. Well, own this, I should say. Wide body. Supra with the custom kit on there. You got the Vossens. Black roof, carbon. This thing's nasty. Very good taste. Look, you got the gold accents perfectly carried all over, man. And you got the gold rivets. Clean. This thing's huge. Look at the lip on the wheels, though. Crazy.
Here we go!
Alright, guys, here it is. Moment of truth. Ooh, you see that right there? No games being played. BC. Damn, check that out right there. Crazy. Sick wrapping on it too. Y'all ready? 3, 2. Make sure I got a good angle right there. There we go. Woo! Damn. So sick. Way better than I expected. I'm glad this the lip came out like this, the brush. It's a good idea going that way. Look at the detail. Got the hidden hardware on there as well. Damn. Sexy. What you think, guys? Next time you guys are gonna see it, it's gonna be on the web. Gonna have them put it on. But man, look at that. So sick.
They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
Damn guys, this is so crazy, man. Look at the brush styling on there. Wow. Looks really nice in person. And you got the BC showing right there. Wow. So sick. I'm excited for this, guys. Hidden hardware. Looks perfect. Man. It's pretty light too compared to the stock wheels. I'm not sure the exact weight, but just by feeling it. Alright guys, moment of truth. Time has arrived. About to do the big reveal. Official reveal. You guys have seen the wheels, but you haven't seen them on. So he's about to pull it out pretty soon. Woo, woo. Super excited, man. I'm shaking. Damn. Long time coming, guys. Long time. I appreciate everybody who's watched every video, who's hit like, who's commented. And we're going to see who watched the last video of the wheels when I did the order and see who got it right, who guessed which model I got. Ooh, here it is, guys. Damn! That shit looks crazy. Come on now. Come on now. Oh. Shit. Oh, that looks so crazy. Big game changer. Yo, this thing is ridiculous, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Sheesh. Damn, look at the way that's sitting there. I was afraid I was gonna need spaces, but I actually don't, man. That thing sits so good. Wow. Every angle. Whoo. Damn, guys. Come on. This is so sexy. Let's get some angles. I'm definitely gonna go to a different location to give you guys sunlight looks. And I'm just gonna stop by the car shop real quick and get some tire cleaner just to make that look a lot better and give you guys a better reveal out in the sun as it is in the shade now. But damn, man. 360 game changer. Look at that. Look at the concave on it. Come on, man. Wow. I love the way these things came out. So sexy. Sits perfect. And I'm glad I went 10s versus 10.5, because as you can see, that thing is really close. Look at that. Super close. Perfect fitment with my finger there. Damn. And even on the fronts too. I was afraid I would need spacers. This is no spacer, guys. 20 by 10. 33 offset. Wow. Look at the calipers, the way they pop. Sheesh. Did your boy do it or did your boy do it? Come on, man. Comment below. Let me know. Wow. I know everybody's got opinions, but to me, this looks crazy. Love the way it came out. Def ready. So yeah, let's hit up the AutoZone or whatever I can find around here and get a little bit of clean on that. Give it a better glow. And let you guys get the real reveal on this bright sun. As you can see, the sun's out. Looking really good. Perfect day, perfect weather. Shh, damn. I can't stop staring at this thing. All right, let me go before I stay in here all day. See you guys at the next spot. guys, we cleaned it up and we found a nice kind of secluded spot, open driveway, so I can show you guys how it looks. One side on the shade and the other side you'll see on the sun. Damn, man. And these wheels, the wheels look crazy, but the tires, they ride so smooth. I love these Continentals. These are the DWS's. Ride so smooth on this. Look at that, guys. Come on. Ooh. Did your boy do it or did your boy do it? Now here we go. This is the best side right here. We got the sun gleaming. Beautiful weather today. Look at that. Damn. Wow. Guys, I'm impressed, man. This is probably the favorite mod I've done so far. I know I said that about the subs, which still is. But damn, man. Look at this. Look at the fitment, though. Woo. Come all around with that. Look at that. Look how she's shining. Crazy. Nice little concave going on too. Wow, this thing looks crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, let me know. Wow, look at the way she's sitting there too. Amazing. Big difference. Looks really, really nice. I love the way the tires are too, like they aren't the super low pros, so it does give it a good enough meat for these local streets here that are unforgiving, as you guys may know. But man, all angles. Let me get the back angle. That's probably another favorite angle, is that back angle. Wow. Huge difference, man. Oh yes, right here. You guys see that? Look at that. Money shot. Bam. Holy crap. Man, I can't believe it's here. Long time coming, long wait. But we finally got it in action. Oh, the way the brush gray pops with the quantum gray in the car, and then the front of the car right now kind of looks very light. And you can see the back. I don't know if it's coming off in camera. The back of the car is coming out the true, has that slight yellowish tint that quantum gray does, and it just works. Everything just works perfectly. I hope this is all coming out. I hope the lighting is good with the sun as well. Damn. Wow, right there. Huge difference. Big game changer. Wow. I could sit there and stare at this all day. Pretty sure you guys may as well. So I'm gonna do a little bit of B-roll and get out of here. I'm not sure if this is a private area. I don't think so. It's a playground or something. But damn. Let me know what you guys think, man. Any angle, just like the any angle. Your boy is shining. Sheesh. Crazy. RIP offset for these offsets on this offset.
I don't even know what that means.
Trying to rap, you know. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it came out for you guys. I lost for words. I can't even explain how beautiful this thing looks. Now it looks like an art piece that I put together my way, so it doesn't look like a regular S5. Question for you guys: does it look stock? Does it look stock? Once upon a time, somebody told me that. Kind of took it to heart. Didn't take offense to it, but he said my car looks stock. Does it look stock now? Come on. Comment below. Let me know. Street Drip, I appreciate the love. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys are excited as I am, and hopefully you guys get to see it in person. Some show, some meet around the way coming in the future. But definitely comment below. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe so you get the other bangers that are coming up. And Street Drip, we'll see you on the next one. We're out.
They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more just to spend it, and I'm always on go. I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it, yeah. I'll be me until till I'm in the grave, yeah. See my record, had to set it straight, yeah. I make to kill like 10 times 10. I got wires coming in, some in euros, some in sec, some in dollars, some in yen. I've been trying to keep my zen, keep my cool. Trying to keep the family fed, get my food. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. Did it, do it. I did it all, no gimmicks. I did it all, no fibbing. Now I got all these children, now I got all these clones. Now I got all you twinning, now I got all you thinking like all you winning. They tried to count me out, they tried to fill that doubt. They tried to ride my wig, they tried to knock me out. They tried to count my wins, they tried to show my L's. They tried to make me in, they tried, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stay.